Okay, guys, the highlights from Tuesday. I don't think I made a video yesterday, and I'm sorry. The highlights from Tuesday. I only made one official call all day, and it was VRNG. It was one of our bounce plays, or potential bounce plays, and this is how it's set up this morning. Had a very nice volume spike here. Didn't take out its early high. Okay, this was the early opening 5-minute candle high was right there. This spike didn't take it out, but then it went into this base. And when it had this secondary spike, I went ahead and said, I like this one. I'm going to call it if it gets here to 356. In other words, takes out the high of this spike, 356. Worst case stop, 343. Let me get the arrows out of the way. We got quickly a high of day break. I sold some at 366 just to make sure and pay myself, and left the stop in place on the rest. The stop holds, and then when it started to look like this, I told everybody it's coiling. Nice flag pattern. This could have a nice push again for those that missed it or those that took it and wanted to add more or buy in again if they sold it all. And boom. And look at this. All the way to 435. I actually sold some at 431. And this is what I teach our members. Whenever you get something that's booming like this in your favor, don't get your calculator out and start figuring out how rich you're going to be. Hit the sell button. You don't have to sell it all, but always sell into a spike. And I got out some at 431, and a very nice one. That was a 22% move from our entry. So really, that's the only trade I needed today, right? But some other ideas in chat. I also mentioned Starbucks after the gap down as a possible short right around here at 44.84, which was right there, and it pushed all the way down through the low of the day. Would have been a nice short. Now, I didn't take that, but that was an idea that I had. And really, that was about it. So the All-Stars had some good posts. I didn't do a good job of recording them. So, oh, and also the first day in our SMS or texting service for the members that signed up for that. Again, this is meant to be kind of a bottom feeding type call. Send out a live text, and I probably going to average one idea a day. Today's was the first day and was Halliburton right here around 33. Was the entry idea. Bottom feeding was at the 200-day. Nice shape going into it, plus some price support. I can show you on the daily real quick. The 200-day was right there. You had support around 33. So you had a couple things working for a potential bounce. And we had that shape we look for getting ahead of itself to the downside. So the entry was 33, and it went up over 60 cents from there. And easily managed even from a cell phone text. If you have access to your broker over your cell phone, you have plenty of time to place a trade right around 33, and could have sold anytime this afternoon for, anywhere around 50 to 60 cent gain. So we're looking forward to continuing and getting better at that service too, and looking forward to providing that service for people that can't be in our chat every day. It's cheaper, a lot less expensive than the chat room, and again, it won't be hyperactive. It'll just be an average of 1 or 2 calls a day when I stumble across a bottom feeding type setup that, I'm there all day every day, and I'm looking for setups. So I'm probably a good guy to have watch for bottom feeding plays for you. One of our specialties anyway is intraday bottoming formations. So should be easily handled via the text message service. And I probably babbled enough. So short and sweet today. We'll talk to you guys later.